The real great high new. I just got mine in like a few days ago. I don't know if I'm gonna build it directly after the Nightingale though. I might wait. I don't know. I'm excited. Go. That's a crazy arm bend. I could not build the Nightingale without. Yeah, I might as well just go ahead and do the high new immediately after this one. I might as well. Who am I kidding? Like, I'm not going to. I'm gonna be so excited to pose these together and put it in a review and just be a giddy little schoolgirl about it. That was exactly what I'll do. Which, by the way, I just dropped a couple new reviews on the old YouTube for y'all to go check out. YouTube, ThiccGunpla. Wow, that was easy. Hey, what's up, Dokadell? How's it going? Hope you're having a swell day. Bloody internet broke again. Oh, sorry to hear that. Dokadell, thank you for the hosts. I appreciate that. You were a gentleman and a scholar. You're just an all-around great person. Squiggle moose. Yeah. I like it thick. I like them chunky. Yeah, I do. I do. How could you tell? Love it. I love how many hand options it comes with, but I just hate building hands. I don't know why, I just do. How are you doing today, Squirrel Mouse? There we go. All of the hands. Chunky even. Also, dear God, the Victory V and V2 hits for have some shit hips. That's what I've heard. I've heard the V and the V2 are very, very shoddy models, but the V2 with the Buster, the Assault Buster expansion looks dope. It looks like a really cool kit. I don't know anything about Victory Gundam. I need to watch it. G2 Buster, a built-in painted man, and this sucks. I don't forget the term where the color pieces aren't separated. Yeah, they so much. Some cheap Master Grades. The 00 Master Grade comes out soon. Which 00? Just the regular 00? I hope, like the 2.0? That'd be sick. I didn't see if they announced it or not. Oh, the Natalie. Oh, yeah. Virtue. That one looks cool. I don't have any Master Grade 00 kits, so I might start my started out with that. I don't know. Oh no. Most of the 00 designs don't click for you. Yeah, I feel the same way. Pretty much. Like, just not my cup of tea. Hang on, y'all. My phone died. I'm gonna go plug it in. I'll have to switch over to looking at my computer for y'all's chats. So. Give me a moment. There's all the hands. There we go. Plug this bad. Be right back. I'm back. Step over all this bullshit. My gaming chair just broke, so that's why I'm sitting in this old thing. But it's not bad, honestly. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You don't like the God Gundam squiggle? Dang. We're all excited about the God Gundam around here. Well, most of us, anyway. Dang. Dang. Got the mad G Gundam hate. I see, okay, I get where you're coming from about it being like, I get it, it's a corny show, but I love it because it was the one I came up on. Love me some G Gundam. It's my wife's favorite is G Gundam. Alright. Now for its head. Gray. What? There it is. People like it for nostalgia and because they saw it as a kid watching it. Oh, I like it because of like Neon Genesis. Zoids, I don't remember that much about. I tried watching it recently, and it was all right. By the way, God Gundam came out before I was born. It's weird to think about. How old are you? How old is? Because I'm 20. I'm 29. I think that came out in like 92, 93, around the year I was born. If not a little after, maybe 94. I don't know. Zoids is a weird mess. They might give you better engineering, just buy one. Compared to the Gunpla, it just seems dull. Zoids, I can't comment on, never watched it. There's a couple of Zoids kits I do want. Like I want the Liger, I want the Berserker, or whatever. The one that just came out looks really good. Just haven't built any. Big meaty thrusters fell off. Oh no. Or one of his big meaty fuel tanks get in there. Yeah. So his kits are pretty pricey. Well, I mean, so okay, so I just mentioned something like this in my newest review on my YouTube channel, which you should go check out, by the way. And it's a review for the Bale. I don't think I've posted it yet. The thing about Bale is, how can people get mad about Bandai trying to recycle kits and making battle, like, what is it, the Build Fighters thing happen? When literally all they did was make plastic to make the IBO line. Like one frame, 20 million different kits, and it's all kind of bad. I think Iron-Blooded Orphans is more of a gotcha than battle. Then there we go. Any of the build series. Oh yeah, no, that's I also bring that up too. That like I definitely love the master grade Barbados, but the Bale just high grade Bale. Anything high grade and Iron-Blooded Orphans, you can pretty much just count me out. Unless it's like kit bash material or something, you're gonna definitely want to practice your weathering or destruction. Logically proves press purpose of said gun was existing. Yeah, very questionable decisions. Like, how are you gonna have your waist be on a ball peg, a ball joint that's not even suspended, really? Like, it's just not. No, you can't make that work. Yeah, pretty much. Like, it was a great idea to come out with a high grade line that shared an inner frame, but towards the end of it, there's just so many that have the exact same inner frame that there's no way that you could feasibly think, oh yeah, this will work for every single one that we have. No, that's not. I highly doubt that, you know. So I have, yeah, no, I have the high grade Vidar and the Bale. The Vidar was a gift and the Bale was on sale, so I have those. like that head opening gimmick. It's really like, let's get in here. This head opening gimmick is nice. It actually feels solid. Like really solid. Here. Oh. Back. Also, double Zeta Verkov feels more solid than I expected. Great bash material. Okay, so I have the double Zeta, but I don't have the Verkov version. I have the Sentinel color master grade double Zeta that came out in 2001. So it's like way before that one. That was, I think, like one of the 4th or 5th reviews I ever did. But it's a really nice kit, even for it being so old. And the fact that I'm never ever gonna transform it. But yeah. Zeta kits have been doing it right for a while. What kind of kit bash do you think you're gonna do with it?